Key point review. A homeowner's insurance policy usually covers the following: fire and lightning, windstorm and hail and glass breakage, explosion, riot, and civil commotion, damage by aircraft, vehicles, and smoke, vandalism, malicious mischief, and theft, loss of property removed from the premises when it is endangered by fire or other perils. Contents of Standard HO3 Policy. Agreement to insure. Declaration page. This section clearly states the terms of the insurance policy, dates of coverage, insurance rating, liability coverage, deductibles, endorsements, conditions, exclusions, or added perils. Standardized policy provisions. Insurance definitions. A condition is a limitation on the coverage of a specific insured property. An endorsement is coverage for specific property or perils that are not covered in the original policy, and is sometimes called a rider. An exclusion is some item or loss due to a specific event that is not covered by the policy. Insurance issues. CLUE is a database of consumer insurance claim history. A property or owner's claims history may make a property or policyholder uninsurable or insurable only with very high premiums. Homeowners insurance coverage typically excludes vacant properties. It may be possible to obtain insurance for unoccupied property. In the event of buyer possession before closing, sellers will need some version of landlord insurance. In the event of late possession by seller, the seller will need renter's insurance and the new buyer owner will need landlord insurance. Listing agents should advise sellers to verify continued appropriate insurance coverage of listed property through closing, recordation. Flood insurance. Flood insurance is a separate policy and not included in the homeowner's policy. The National Flood Insurance Act of 1968 is administered by FEMA and subsidizes flood insurance. The intent is to reduce the impact of flooding on private and public structures, encourage community floodplain management regulations, and provide affordable insurance. Designated flood hazard zones are subject to restrictions on location, type, and elevation of all improvements. All federally related mortgage loans require flood insurance on property located in FEMA-designated flood zones. If entire building is located above the 100-year floodplain, insurance requirement may be waived. The location in a FEMA-designated flood zone of any part of property is a material fact.